All right, that was 1 pound of medium shell pasta. Now I have some Alfredo sauce, and I have the Prego. You can use your favorite Alfredo sauce for this recipe. Try to get all of that out of there. And if you want to get even more out, you can put a little water in here, swish it around, but I'm not feeling like doing that today. And now, real easy, we're just gonna mix this all together. Oh, look at that. This is gonna be a really easy and delicious recipe, you guys. I learned this one on the internet, and it is gonna be really good because so many people have been ranting and raving about how good this is. And it's just so simple, all in one pan basically. And you can just mix it all together right in the dish like I'm doing right here. You can use a bowl if you want, but you guys should already know by now that that is not my style. All right, that looks nice and mixed. All right, we have a pound of cooked ground beef and a big jar of marinara that we're gonna pour directly in here. We browned our ground beef, and I use 96%, but you can use whatever percentage you like. Let me know in the comments what percentage you like to use actually when you make your pasta dishes. And also, you can go ahead and use spaghetti noodles for the pasta. I just wanted to use the shells to give it a fun little twist, but trust me guys, this recipe, I can already tell. I've never tried it, but we're gonna find out together how good it's gonna be because it just looks amazing. So you're just gonna wanna mix your marinara up with your ground beef till it looks kind of like chili, just like this. And we're gonna go back over to our counter. All right, guys, so we are just going to lather this ground beef and marinara right on top of our pasta. Oh man, if you guys were here to smell this, it smells so good. Try to get all of that out of there. All right, that looks good enough to me. We're just gonna lather this on top of our pasta, so it's gonna create like a nice meaty layer. Okay, that is good enough for me. You can make it perfect if you want, but that's good enough for me. Okay, and now for the final ingredient, mozzarella cheese cut straight from the block, okay? I have the good stuff. You can totally shred your own cheese, but I trust the grocery store. Wow, we're probably gonna use this whole bag, which is 2 cups, because we want a nice and full cheesy layer on the top. I love cheese. I have to add it to almost everything. Okay, quickly spread that out. Make sure your hands are clean. You guys always like to tell me, put on gloves. Oh, are your hands clean? Yes, my hands are clean. I wasn't raised in a barn. Okay. That looks great. I think that looks perfectly spread out. And you can go ahead and wipe the sides of your dish if you want to, but I'm not going to. This is just for me and my family. But you could make this for a potluck. In that case, probably wipe your dish. But we're just gonna pop this in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes at 350. Oh, if you guys could smell this. I told you before, and I'm gonna tell you again. All right, I did have to top this off with a little bit of chopped parsley, just because I like a little bit of color. I think I'm gonna stick my fingers in there and try to just spread it gracefully on top. As graceful as I can be. Sure, you guys are much more graceful than I, but yeah, there we go. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, I'm excited. We gotta dig right on in. Let's go for this corner. Oh man, that, ooh. We cooked our pasta al dente, by the way, so it would come out nice like this. Oh yeah, look at that nice big piece. Oh, and the cheese. Oh, that's awesome. I need a fork. Okay, Oh, it looks so creamy. Oh my gosh, cheesy. Ooey goody. Deliciousness. I can't even talk. Ah. Get out of here. Mmm.